Fire damage can be devastating, but restoration is possible. Today, we're talking about residential fire damage restoration in New Brighton, Minnesota. The shock of a home fire can be overwhelming, and the aftermath even more so. Fire damage is more common than you might think, and it's crucial to employ professional restoration services. Why? Because if not handled properly, it can lead to hazards that linger long after the flames are out. The process of restoring your home after a fire can be daunting, but with the right help, it's manageable. Fire damage restoration is a multi-step process that must be handled with care. Indeed, the journey from disaster to recovery is not a straight line, but a path that weaves through several critical stages. The first step is assessment. Professionals need to survey the extent of the damage, establish a plan of action, and communicate this to the homeowner. It's a meticulous process that lays the groundwork for everything to follow. Next comes the board-up and tarp service. This step is essential to secure the property from further damage. It's about creating a protective shell around the home, shielding it from the elements, and preventing unauthorized access. Now, we move on to water removal and drying. In many instances, firefighting efforts result in water damage that compounds the fire damage. Industrial-grade equipment is used to extract the water and dry out the property, mitigating the risk of mold growth. Subsequently, smoke and soot removal takes place. These residues can be corrosive and harmful, so professionals use specialized tools and techniques to thoroughly remove them. This step is also vital for the health and safety of the inhabitants. Cleaning and sanitizing follow suit. Here, restorers deep clean the home and belongings using antimicrobial treatments to ensure a safe, clean environment. Finally, the actual restoration phase commences. This is where the home is repaired and restored to its pre-fire condition. It might involve minor repairs or major reconstruction, all aimed at making the house a home again. Each step in the fire damage restoration process is crucial to returning your home to its pre-fire condition. Indeed, it's a journey of transformation, from ashes to a beacon of hope and restoration. Restoring your home after a fire is not a task you should undertake alone. The task is not merely about cosmetic repairs. It's about restoring safety, comfort, and peace of mind. That's where Sellers Roofing Company comes into play. With their years of experience, they've mastered the art of fire damage restoration. They don't just fix the visible damage. They make sure your home is structurally sound, free from lingering smoke odors, and ready to be lived in again. And it's not just their expertise that sets them apart. It's their unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the emotional toll a fire can take, and they're dedicated to making the restoration process as smooth and stress-free as possible. They work with you every step of the way, keeping you informed, answering your questions, and addressing your concerns. Don't face the aftermath of a fire alone. Call Sellers Roofing Company at 651-703-2336 and let the professionals help you restore your home.